Hey everyone, want to make your own viral CapCut template but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you the full process, step by step, so you can create awesome templates that others can use with just one tap. So what's a CapCut template? It's basically a ready-made edit with your transitions, effects, and timing all set, so other people can easily apply it to their own videos without re-editing everything. To follow along, you'll need the CapCut app, either on your phone or PC, some trending music or audio, and a few clips you want to edit. And also, make sure you have a CapCut account, because to create and upload templates, you need to be part of the Template Creator program. So if you don't have access yet, I'll show you how to apply through my agency in the next video. And if you want to help grow our community, just hit that subscribe and like button. It really helps us reach more people and build a bigger, stronger group of creators. Don't forget to recommend this video to others in the YouTube community too. First, find a trending sound on TikTok or Instagram Reels. This will be the backbone of your template. Next, import your clips and arrange them to match the beat of the music. Then, add cool transitions like zoom, shake, spin, or flash to make your edit dynamic. You can also add effects, filters, or light text if you want, but keep it clean and simple. Be sure to sync your clips perfectly to the music. That's what makes your template come alive. Finally, preview your edit and export it as a template. Don't forget to enable the Use Template option so others can easily try it out. Here are some bonus tips. Keep your template short, around 5 to 15 seconds, because short templates tend to go viral faster. Add some emotion or storytelling to connect with viewers, and create a catchy thumbnail and caption that helps get people's attention. When you're ready, upload your template to TikTok or CapCut's community, and add a catchy caption like, "Try this if you miss someone," to make it relatable. Use hashtags like CapCut Template, editing tips, and use my template to get discovered. So if this video helped you get started with CapCut templates, please hit like and subscribe for more editing tips. Let me know in the comments if you want a full advanced tutorial next. Thanks for watching. This is Ianskie Editz, and happy editing.